Okay, here we are at New York. Market open, almost, like in less than 1 minute. I don't really think that we're gonna see anything extra here. All we're seeing is that the dollar index is getting more strength. Um, and the pound dollar is, well, almost at no man's land. We had some liquidity. It's tapped into. Not really seeing much of an action here otherwise. So EU is pretty much nothing. Took out this liquidity right here. Next sell side should be down here. I don't see anything. Not on the 5 minute. Not on the 15 minute. Not on the 30 minute. Nothing. Let's look at gold. Gold also took out quite a bit of liquidity. It took out yesterday low. We made a small profit on that. And by the way, this level here, I'm gonna just put sell side liquidity here, because this right here, let me just show it. Gold is interesting because we have this point right here, this point right here, right here, right here. And so higher highs all the way up. It would be interesting to see these highs, higher highs, sorry, higher lows. I'm stupid today. Come on, not higher high, higher lows. It would be interesting to see these higher lows being taken out. So the first target would be, what's the low of this candle? 1978.56. So this is the first target for sell side. Which is possible, of course, but you know. Anyway, market is open. We might going to have a possible trade entry, since dollar index is getting stronger and stronger. We might have an interesting scenario on GU. I was mentioning earlier that my final target would be down here, and overall in the big picture I'm bearish on GU. So what happened here is that it can be a market structure shift or change of character or whatever, but we have to wait like at least 1 minute and 30 seconds for this one to close below this candle, and not just by one tick. Sorry, just a quick text message here. Okay, so around 30 seconds. $20 more. I need this one to spike down at least 1 or 2 pips. 10 seconds. That's it. That's what I like. All right. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now stay the way like this. This is what I'm looking for. So far, it's good. Could be good. It's not gonna stay good forever. We had the displacement. So far, so good. I would really like to take this trade on the 5 minute. EU already made a low. Now we have to wait another at least 4 minutes for this one. Gold is going to go down here. It seems like to me, at least. And the dollar index is going to keep pushing to this, sorry, to this level. Let's just see trading view. Dollar index is going to go there. That's just inevitable, like Thanos said. Right? I'm inevitable. Now this high here says I'm inevitable. I'm just talking gibberish, don't worry. So it's gonna go there. It's like, I mean, I'm sure. Not just my gut feeling tells me, but it's, I mean, it really looks like it wants to go there. No major structure break here. That's nothing basically. So it's gonna go there. And my high hopes is on GU. I'm gonna, oh, this is the 3 minute. All right. I'm gonna show you why. Why do I want to short GU? I mean, I don't want to. I just would like to short it. So tapped into a little bit of liquidity. Not too much. Not too much. Order block here. A bit of liquidity. Structure break, I'd say. We have our happy little fair value gap here. And look at this. Quite some nice targets below here. We have some little bit of imbalance here. Sell side liquidity. What do you need? I know we're in a discount array, so I know that. We're in a discount, but my overall target on GU is down here. And since there was no valid entry until this time to go short, this could be our first valid entry to go short. I mean, if we look at this price range from here to here, we are definitely still in premium in this small price range. I just need GU to stop going down for now, turn around and go back up there. That's what I want to see. So let's put a fib. Yeah, you see, we still have equilibrium inside the fair value gap. I would like to see this one stop right here, hover back to this area if possible, like right after candle close. We have 1 minute until candle close. Go back here and I'm gonna place a limit order. Let's go and see it right here. There. I'm gonna place a limit order right there. right there. I'm gonna go with $900, a little bit less than 1%. Trying to calculate a little bit of a spread, slippage, and commission there. So I'm risking around 1%, let's just say, all right? There's gonna be my entry. We have a 10 pip stop loss. It's fine by me since if price trades above this level, it's, you know, whatever. It's no use for the, oh, come on, GU. Stop going down. Turn around. Okay, 2, 1. There. Okay, this candle is finished. Now go back. Let's go back. I'm gonna check it again. There. I'm just gonna put it a little bit lower here, just to make sure it's gonna be filled due to any kind of slippage or spread. Okay, I'm gonna put a limit order there. Limit order is ready. And I guess we'll see. 11 pips stop loss. We have to manage this one. Oh yeah, so this is the daily chart for the GU, and this area right here, which I marked it here right there, that's what interests me most. And specifically this candle right there holds real strongly. That's where I would like to see price. If not today, then later during the week. This area is very interesting. On gold, there's nothing. I don't care about that. GU already made a low. I want to see the pound tap into that and just tank, fall like a rock. Come on, baby. Just push up. Come on, baby. I can. Okay, that's all I could do. I moved it with 1 tick maybe. That's all. I'm not willing to do more for this trade. I moved it with 1 tick. And we're pretty much in the fair value gap still. So come on. Come on, baby. Fill up that gap. That sounds a little nasty, right? Fill up that gap. By the way, if anyone wants to check it out, I know it's... Anyway, no. I mean, we have a private group. Just started. I mean, we have a private group since quite a while, but I just started going out to Patreon. So, private Zoom meetings. I'm not going to be streaming every day on YouTube, but we have a very good, how should I say, result this month. Almost 10%, but at least 9. 63% success ratio with 35 trades. Yesterday was a disaster, but anyway, we're still going up. April was 16%. March was over 12. February was 6%. January I was in hospital, so I have no idea, but I know it was good. Okay, so this is for the year. Let's go back. GU is still hovering there. It's still hovering there, doing nothing. Playing with our nerves. Actually not. It's not playing with my nerves, not today. We made a little bit of a profit, 1% on gold today. Then I wanted to go long on gold, but I almost immediately canceled it. So there's a bit of a incy-wincy minus here. I'm not going to log it. There. But still, we're up. This is a challenge account at FTMO. We are up almost 1%. So I'm happy about it. I'm gonna share more account details in my private group. Come on, baby. Come on, trade. There you go. We're filled. We are filled. Okay. Okay. $11 pips. Okay. There. Oh yeah, we still have this one on gold. Let's remove that. All right. So we have a trade manager already. Great. So I just hope that dollar index is going to keep pushing. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Now let's see. I know I have a sound pad. Check. Okay. Playback device. Okay. Check device configuration. Playback device. Maybe like this, maybe? Okay. It's working. All right. All right, it's working. Okay, everything's fine. Oh my god, what is this? Okay, let's find some sound effects, shall we? Okay, that's gonna be alright. Oh no! Turned against us. That's bad. Is it because we are still in discount? I was so sure that, you know, we have enough boost to go down. But interesting. I was pretty much sure. Oh yeah, we're gonna get taken out real fast here. Not looking good. Not looking good. It is what it is. It is what it is. Damn. We're gonna get clapped here. Let me just try something. How much is this? Ah, that's too much risk. I can't do that. I can't go over my original risk. Yeah, that's 1% already. No. No, no, no. That's it. Okay. I was just curious, but with the commission, this is 1%. So yeah, it is what it is. Interesting though. I mean, I really thought that that this is gonna fall like a rock. Well, this challenge account gives us a real hard time. I'm telling you guys, whoever is watching this later on. It was looking so good on the 5-minute. It's a shame to see it go like that. Yeah, that's it. We're out. Okay. We are out officially. And we're back to square one on this trade. It was looking good. I think the problem was that we're still in discount, pretty much. So we have to deal with that. Fair value gap is still okay here. Yeah, I think that was the problem. Yeah, there she goes. Okay, let me just update this. Say profit. We're down to break even with the loss. Monthly profit. Monthly profit is down again to 8.75. There. This trade, it was a nasty one. I loved it. So far, I think my biggest problem, my biggest issue was that maybe I should have waited for this one to. No, actually, the only problem here could be that we are still in discount on GU. Who knows? So we're gonna log it, and we're basically There. We are basically back to square one. It's the 17. Maybe we'll find another setup. I don't know. Not sure. Let's just go into the stats. Still the 17. And which hour was this taken? It was taken around, let's just say 8:45-ish. Or 8:40. 8:42. I can check it. 8:44 in New York time. New York GU sell. FVG stop loss 5 minute no. Let's just put it there. There you go. Pound dollar. And let's just put a note here. You know, let's just say setup was looking good, but maybe the problem was that price was in discount array. All right, there it is. So yeah, it was looking good. So scratch that trade. Liquidity has been taken. Although, yeah, look at that. It's really interesting how the dollar index has failed to deliver this level, because it was looking like really like it's gonna burst through like butter, you know. But it didn't. It didn't. Euro dollar, well, we can look for a new setup on euro dollar. This kind of move I don't really like. Yeah. Nothing there. Okay, GU can do the same again. I mean, there is a possibility, but if it does not going to do it in like, what's the time? 9 a.m. Yeah, it has to do it in the next hour. Almost 9 a.m. So if we're going to have a setup, it has to be in the next hour. Because otherwise I'm not willing to check the charts. I'm already a little bit sad because we gave back the profit from earlier today, but at least we preserved capital. And that's what ICT says always, like, preserve capital. That's the #1 goal, to preserve capital. Alright then. Alright then. This is GU, this is EU. Nothing. Let's look at gold again. I don't know. I would be scared to go long here. It looks so good. I'm gonna go long on gold. That's it. I have to. There. If it goes down, I don't care. Almost missed the trade, not the optimal entry, but I don't care. Why? That's why. And you ask me why, and you already know what I'm gonna do with this. That's why. And if you want to know why, These are my reasons. I mean, before it tanks. That would be great. Since we're already in premium. I'm sorry, discount. All right. Okay. Let's see what we can do here with gold. At least give us a TP1. Okay, so on the 1 minute, yeah, it was looking good. So let's look at gold now. There are some relative equal highs and sell, sorry, buy side liquidity to be taken out. So that would be great, but since we are only down at the 5 minute, have to be cautious with our expectations and what we wish for. All right. By the way, if you can, please like the stream. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you. I'm trying to, trying to spend more time on YouTube and grow the community. If you want to know what we're doing, go to the link or pip.ninja and you can read more. Recently started on Patreon. I think it's a better service in terms of managing small communities or even bigger ones. So all right. Nothing here. Dollar index. I don't know. I don't know what the dollar index wants anymore. Let's just delete this. I still think it's gonna go up, but I might even consider to close down gold if it's going to show us a sloppy price action. I don't know. I don't know what to think about gold right now. It was looking very good on this 1 minute fair value gap. And that's why I think it would be great. Yo, hey there, Tillin. Thank you very much for dropping to the stream. How you doing? How's your day? I welcome anyone who is new on my channel and on my YouTube, and thank you so much for dropping in. How is your day so far? Hope it's good. Hope you're doing great. Okay, the EA did its job. It closed down, the EA closed down 60% of the trade, over 60%, so we are good. We still have a runner. Where's the runner? Oh yeah, I didn't put a TP on this. Okay, so let me turn down the EA. So at least our previous loss has been somehow recouped in a way. What's this? Where's my TP? There. So my final TP would be around, let's see, it would be up here. You're fine, cool, man. Good to hear. Are you trading as well? I mean, you're a trader? Or we just talked about this in the morning session. We are risk managers, not traders. We are risk managers. That's what we do. Risk managers. Oops. My usual phone call. Just give me like a minute. I have to make this phone call. Thank you. Don't go anywhere. I forbid anyone to go anywhere. Okay. I'm back. I'm back. Nobody goes anywhere. So you're a risk manager, but down 3.5%. That's nothing, dude. You can recoup that easily, easily. I mean, look at my stats from yesterday. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 stop losses in a row. Actually, it was in 2 days, but still. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stop. And the same happened with me in April. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stop losses. Don't worry. It happens all the time. And just this morning in London, I had a nice trade. A very good short on gold. Actually, I missed my entry because my original entry was here. And I just lost it. I gave it back to the market in the previous trade. So anyway, I was making a pound dollar short. I thought that it's gonna be fine for ICT 2022 YouTube model, but it wasn't, and it was my fault because I think we were still in discount. But everything is logged. You can check it on my website if anyone is watching, Pip.Ninja, which goes to my Patreon site. So check it out, subscribe, blah blah blah. Don't worry. Okay, so this trade, I mean, the good thing is that it reached TP1. Other than that, it's pretty much turning against us. So let's get back to you, Tillam. Where are you doing your challenge? At FTMO, My Forex Funds, the Funded Trader, or tell me something about your experience. How do you like the service so far? Oh no. Another phone call. Sorry guys, I'm still in a phone call. Be back as soon as I can. Give me like a few minutes. Okay, sorry everyone, sorry, but I do have some other stuff as well. So let's see, Dylan. My funded FX phase 1 went smooth. Phase 2, I haven't followed my rules, so it was pure gambling. I don't have a trading laptop. I think that's why I keep losing, sir, because I don't have. Bro, do you have, sir, please buy me one. Oh, that's cool. That's cool, man. It's always not about the laptop. Your phone is enough. Well, you can do it from your phone technically. I was in hospital in January and oh come on. I'm sorry, everyone, but I just have such a busy morning. So we had a trade here on gold, which was partially all right. There you go. We have taken partials at 0.6%. There you go. And the second part of the trade has been stopped out at break even. So there it was. Earlier I had a loss on pound dollar, which was this. And if you ask me why, I would say to you that it was based on the 5-minute chart. And I was aiming for, I mean, look at this. I thought that this is going to be enough to tap into some liquidity, and there's a small bearish order block here, so it started to go down and made a structure break. So I thought, why not? It should go down. My overall bias on pound dollar is definitely bearish. So I thought, why not? I took the trade, turned against me. My mistake was that I think we were still in discount array. So this is the midnight, New York midnight open. Now we are going into premium daily array. We'll see how it goes. Nothing major has happened on EU for now, I think. I don't like this price action. And then suddenly I saw this on gold spiked down a little bit on the 5-minute. Sorry, it was on the 1-minute. I'm sorry, it was on the 1-minute. Yeah, spiked down, created a fair value gap here with a bit of a structure break. My entry was not even that precise, but nevertheless it took me to take some partial. So we recouped some of the losses, and earlier this morning I had a 1% gain on gold. Where was this? Yeah, there it was. This was London session. It was strictly a 1-to-1 trade. Yeah, so I gave this money back to the market with GU, and now we're back. Account is up to $1,789. This is an FTMO challenge account. Just started 2 days ago, so that's it. That's it. Please like the stream if you can, and subscribe to the channel. And check out Pip Ninja. Alright. Because recently I was streaming to private Zoom, and for quite a while I was streaming to a private Zoom group, and now I'm starting on YouTube, build a community, and so far I think Patreon offers some tool sets which I can use to manage a community. Anyway, dollar index, let's check it. Trading view, these are my stats. Oh, we should log this, right? We should log this trade. This month we are already up over 8%. Let's see this trade. This trade was taken 927. Yeah, 859. 859. All right. We're gonna like 859. 859. New York. There's a gold buy. Classic FVG, that's how I call the ICT 2022 model. Only we just took TP1. It was on the 1-minute. It was successful. And let's make a screenshot from the trade, all right? Because I like to log the screenshots too. There. Screenshot has been taken. Okay. This is the second gold trade today. And let's put this here. Let's put this here. There you go. There. Logging everything. So we're up over 9% finally. 62% success rate out of 37 trades. And we have quite a losing streak yesterday and before that, so hopefully we're gonna climb out from that ditch. Okay, gold is this. This is the gold. This is EU. What I'm looking for is maybe this is Asia. Yeah. So this is now let's go to trading view. It's much better. Let's go 5 minute. Okay, so what I'm looking for on pound dollar is that maybe it could liquidate buy side over there and then turn around. We are just at the midnight open price right now, and we could say if it would give us a short entry, I would take it because I'm still overall bearish, and as ICT says so as well, we can go short around or above the midnight opening range. So we are just around the midnight opening range. This is the 5 minute chart. Let's go here to the 5 minute as well. So as you can see, if it would be going down with the displacement, I mean strong down close candles, then maybe I would say we could have a good chance to go short here. Now this candle I don't really like, not my favorite. It closed just above this here. I don't really consider this as a structure shift, but it's looking good on the 5 minute as well. It's looking good. It can be a market structure shift. Let's zoom it out. Let's talk about this, shall we? Took out a little bit of buy side here, not too much, actually nothing. So consider that with caution. Oh yeah, let's update the almost forgot. 9.4. 9.4. We had two winners. Monthly profit 9.4. There you go. So what I would like to see is wait for this candle to close. We had our market structure shift right there, and we can have a fair value gap here. So why not? Why not? It can happen easily. Am I right? Yeah, I'm right. I know. I know. Come on. Come on. Okay, okay. I know I'm great. Okay, that's the chat window. Actually, I'm gonna put this somewhere else. Oh my god. I opened something. So far, we can have a possible short entry, but we need the fair value gap there. And to have that formed, we need this candle to close right here, and we need another 5 minute candle to have that. So for that to form, we need another 6 minutes. We need 6 minutes for that to form. 6 whole minutes. The dollar index can give us some strength in this trade. Oh my god. I'm not gonna sit here too long. If it's not going to give us a setup, I'm gonna be here for max 1 more hour, and that's it. Because in the afternoon, it's more likely that you can trade index futures, but on MetaTrader broker, it's a little bit hard. It's only good if you have enough volume, and I don't really see anything on that. And by the way, I'm still focused on GU, EU, and try to get to gold, and it's too much already. Too many markets. I should be only trading one market, by the way. Okay, so we have the 5-minute closure. If this fair value gap would stay the way like this, something, then it would be a good entry. So we have to wait 4 minutes 30 seconds for this candle to hover around here. We need that. On GU, nothing. 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 Dollar index, nothing. Not even moving. Let's check here. Yeah, it stopped. Basically, it stopped. Dollar index has stopped moving, ladies and gents. Did I said already to like the stream? Okay, so this is GU. Looks good on the 3-minute as well, by the way. On the 3-minute, I think we have a possible entry. Let me put a fib. Okay, so on the 3-minute, we can actually put a limit order. Why not? Let me put a fib here. There. I'm gonna put limit order because on the 3-minute we're already in a valid trade entry. Should be here. Okay. I'm gonna put $900. Limit order is ready. Yeah. Should be alright. I mean, we'll see, I guess. For this candle, we still need 2 minutes and 30 seconds to close. So we're waiting because trading is boring. And I will have to do some stuff in my apartment. So I might have to put out the be right back sign for a few minutes. But I'm expecting a package actually. Okay, so this is gone. I'm removing this limit order for now. Okay, I don't want it to go all the way down here. I really don't want it. Because there's still imbalance here that can be repriced and then it shoots back up. So I want it to stay above this level and go back into that fair value gap. That's what I want to see. We still have our optimal trade entry in the fair value gap, so it can be still alright. But we might going to miss it. I'm not going to force this one. Okay. So that's where it should be. I'm going to put $900. Now we have to wait if it goes down or up. Okay, so this is about the maximum level which I wanted to drop towards. Yeah, I'm afraid it's gonna go down there. Yeah, I think it's gonna go down there, and that is not gonna be valid for me anymore. Yeah, it's down there. Okay, scratch that. I don't like that. I mean, I'm not saying it's that bad, but because clearly we have sell side here. So we have sell side right here. And that should be enough for us. Gold is melting. And that's the target I was talking about earlier in the stream. It's gonna pop into that. See? Oh damn, now this could be a silver bullet trade. This could be a silver bullet trade. I'm telling you guys, if it's gonna leave a fair value gap here after this 1 minute candle and it goes inside that, I'm just gonna go short. I don't care. It has to drop. I don't even care if it takes me out. I don't want to miss this opportunity. There. There. Come on. I need this candle to close. We have 15 to 10 seconds to close. It should be just enough for a 1-to-1 risk reward. There. Okay. I'm placing a limit order. I'm placing a limit order because I do think that it's... But I need this one to go up there first and reprice that level. Ah, damn. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know, GU. I don't know. I don't know. I wish I could know what to do with GU. Should I force this? Gold is almost filling that gap. Should I force this trade? Let me put a fib here. No, I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm not gonna force gold if it's not filling in that position, that limit order. I'm not going to take market order. I need a good risk reward. So if it just tanks right now, then so be it. I don't care. I think it's gonna tank. There. Away she goes. Strong, very, very large candles are coming in. Look at that. Large and strong candles to the downside. It's gonna tank. Or not. Or not. Or it can reprice this range. Okay, we're in. We're in. Now I need this to tank. We are in. I'm not managing anything here. I just want this to drop. Easily, it can take us out easily, and that would be it, I think, for today. But that's what I was drawing earlier, and that's what I was showing on TradingView. Let me show you. Where's gold? Here. There. 1, 2. Can you see it? Hopefully. 1, 2, 3, 4 times higher lows. Higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Higher low, higher low, higher low. So this down here is the most important sell side liquidity. 2, and these are like I mean, these are levels that needs to be taken out, right? But first it's gonna take me out. I still need this one to tank, like sharply. Strong candles to the downside. That's my analysis. And this is my silver bullet trade for today. I know it's not 10 a.m. But it's not to the minute. For gold, at least, this is my silver bullet. I would consider this because it's pretty obvious that level. If it takes me out, then it takes me out. I might not going to force more trades today if it takes me out. That was my analysis. I'm sticking to it. I needed an entry. I got my entry. And that's it. I need this one to fall real strong. Actually, what I can do, if it's gonna tank, let's just check it. If it's gonna tank, it can tank all the way down. So you know what? I'm changing my perspective a little bit. I'm gonna say 267. 2.46, 267. .46 close, 2.46 lots there, and this is gonna be my final TP. $2.46, 267. Then it's gonna be 534. Ish. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, and this is 267. I'm gonna put it to break even at 267. 267. is where I'm going to put it to break even. And I'm hoping for this one to go down all the way and take out all this liquidity down there. That's it. That's the trade for the afternoon. If you like what you see, including myself, like the channel. Thank you. Or if you don't, that's fine too. Now, I'm actually scared. It can be a losing trade too. But at least markets are open. I do want this to fall sharply. That would be great. First partial would be around this level. Let's check what's happening. GU is melting. Okay, nothing to do there because there's just nothing to do. Nothing. The only possibility I see here for myself is on gold, but now it's just, I don't know what it's doing. It can spike me in 5 seconds. So it is what it is then. Then I guess I come back tomorrow afternoon maybe, because in the morning I think we don't have enough volume, bank holidays in Europe. So I might not going to stream tomorrow at London, but maybe New York Open, after New York Open I might going to. So at least we are still hovering around break even with this account. We have a difficult week. It's a difficult week so far. Sometimes we are just in the flow, but right now we are in a difficult scenario. Difficult markets. Okay, I'm back. It seems like that we have some good news on the trade on gold. So yeah, we closed down 1% on gold, and we still have an open trade. Hopefully, it will go all the way to final TP. As I was hoping, it was tanking like a rock. So it went down. Real strong. Real strong. I still believe that we can tap into this. Look at 1, 2, 3. It's gonna take out the... It can go all the way down here. So I'm gonna leave this TP. But so far, this trade was quite alright. I'm eating, by the way. What is happening? Okay, I just need to push this down to cover commissions. If it retraces, I just want to make sure it covers commission. Okay. There. That's fine. So far, we closed down the previous trade with 1% gain. So overall, we are up again this morning. Actually, we are up 1.8% today so far. I'm gonna log the final result after. This trade is already free. So if we win this one, we can make an extra $500. If it retraces and takes us out as it does right now, we still finished with a 1% trade, and I'm going to log this as a 1% trade because I think we deserve this. We worked for this trade hard. Even if it takes us out the rest of the position at break even. It's a good thing to use expert advisors to manage your trades, you know. I was out preparing my food and the EA just did his job, so consider that, by the way, in your own trading style. Trade managing tools. Come on, baby. You know what? I might gonna close it manually. And I'm gonna explain to you why. Or not. No, let's just wait for TP. Alright. Okay. Nice. Finally. Finally we broke the circle. Very nice trades. Perfect. That was my ICT silver bullet trade. Very, very good. I think we deserve an applause, right? Of course. Thank you, Tim. Thank you. This is for you, for sticking out with the trade. Thank you very much, Tim. Look at that. The final TP was almost right on tick for now. But nevertheless, I'm still like, where is it? I'm sure that these higher lows are gonna get taken out. If not today, then in the upcoming days. That's why I took that. And the silver bullet trade worked pretty good today. So the account is up 2.3, almost 4%, 2.3%. I love this food. I'm sorry. I was so hungry. GU and EU is melting. Okay, let's put this to the log, shall we? Let's put this to the log. All right. Okay, I think since we had such a prosperous day, hold on. Okay, 944. We took this trade 944. Okay, this will be my last trade for today. I'm not sure. Okay, let's maybe not the last, but let me look around. Let me just log this first. New York, gold, sell, silver bullet, TP1 plus TP2, taken on the 1 minute chart successfully. Let me put in the picture. There. It's logged. All right. And let me change the stats so far. Today we had 3 winners, and the monthly profit is 10.8 according to 1% risk management. Okay, so that we're back over 10% this month. And today we had 1 winner, 1 loss, and 2 other winners. So overall, yes, 3 winners, 1 loss. It was great. Maybe we can do better than in April. 16% for last month. Maybe we can do better than last month. Hopefully. I mean, this trade, I really liked it. This was the one, not this. This actually, I canceled this trade, but this was the one. This. All right. No, actually, we won that too. Yeah, that was the TP1 trade. Yeah. Yeah, this was it. Okay. All right. Okay. Uh, okay, so we're back to discount on GU, which is interesting. I want to see what the dollar index is still climbing to take out those highs, and I think it will. I'm just not sure if it's going to do it today or not. In New York, it's past 10 o'clock. I don't know. I don't know. EU? I don't know. Okay. Okay. All right. So far, we're doing okay. What the hell is this song? I wish I could play other songs, but you know, copyright and stuff like that. Have to be very careful. Nothing here what I would like to take so far, because after 10 o'clock, this is actually the silver bullet time, 10 to 11. And I'm not sure if I want to. Okay, let's say for example that okay, this took some sell side liquidity here, but there is nothing among that. Okay, nothing here. Gold made its move. I'm not putting more gold. We made the move on gold, and I'm quite happy about that. This trade was like almost a perfect textbook trade. Yeah. Other than that, there's nothing. Other than that, there's nothing. It's just boring. I know it's boring. It should be boring. Okay, the next sell side on EU is here. That's the next sell side, which is which was on the 3rd of April, so quite a few weeks ago. So that's important, and that's not actually not that far away. Like 29 pips, around 29 pips. It's not that far. It's not that far away. We're a little bit above 08. It can easily go down there, so I would be very careful to go long on EU. Actually, I would go short, but there's no entry. There is, I mean, if I would want to go short, I would want to take out this low here with the down close candle and the displacement. So this fair value gap is not interesting to me. So there's nothing. We definitely have to wait because there's nothing here. And GU was kind of a mess. Let me clear the chart because it's so messy. Let me clear some stuff here that we don't need to be a buy side there. Let me just put that away. It took out buy side right here, so I'm gonna leave that. I'm sorry, sell side. It took out sell side here. This was a little bit of a sell side. The gold trade, it was so beautiful. I still can't believe. Look at my second TP. It was way better than I anticipated. To be honest, I should have closed it earlier. I'm gonna tell you why. Because if we risk $900 and we close down like 60% of the position, it's $540. I'm not even counting commissions. So what we're left with is $460. And if we go with the rest of the position to TP2, okay. Then yeah, then that's $1,460 overall if I reach TP2. Minus commissions. Commission was like $6-7, so that's not a big deal. And so we did a little bit more. So I could have closed it earlier just to say that we followed the protocol to the letter, but it was still fine. It was still okay. So we were risking 900 just to stay a little bit below the 1% number. And that's what I do with all my trades, by the way. GU is going up again. I don't know. It just can't decide what it wants to do. Let me just delete this. Oh no, I'm gonna leave that for now. Dollar index can't decide what to do at this point. This is the 1 hour dollar index. This is the 5 minute. Maybe it will gather some strength and go up. I don't know. Gold, look at gold. Gold is, I don't know what it's doing. I still think it's going to melt to those levels. Maybe it wants to reprice this fair value gap here. Let me delete this. Maybe it wants to go there. It should. If it wants to drop, then it should reprice this imbalance right there. Interesting. So yeah, I want to dig into more gold trading because I don't want myself to be, I mean, I don't want just Forex. I want to trade index futures too, like this is US 500 as ICT is trading this as well, but on a MetaTrader broker, which no matter which prop firm you're using or broker, on MetaTrader you will have much slippage. Prices are, you know, let's forget about price, and the spread is quite wild. So in the London morning, and look at this mess, in this mess, trading on a MetaTrader broker indices is just hell. It's pure hell. It's not even worth it. So unless you don't have enough volume, you just have to leave this. So I might consider, if I want to go with index futures, I might want to consider using a totally different broker. And I'm not sure if I want to go with Top Step, not because I think it's bad or something, but I don't like the trading stop. For now, at least, I don't like that. Oh man. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. if this would melt in the upcoming like 30 to 40 minutes, if this would melt all the way down like EU, I would consider going into a short, targeting this sell side here. And I'm sorry, at this point, because it's the 4 hour, I'm targeting the body of the candle, not the wick. The body of the candle, it's even better to go with, just to make sure. So there's where the body of the candle is, making sure that take profits are intact. That's where I think I wanted to put my TP. But there's no setup, nothing. And my final hour of trading, oh, look at gold. Look at gold. As I was saying, it tapped into that imbalance. Now now I think we can watch carefully if it wants to go back down again. I'm not gonna take any trade on gold after this perfect trade and one other perfect, almost perfect trade. I'm not going to give that money back to the market. But it seems like it wants to go all the way back up. Oh my god, look at this. My TP. Oh my god. Anyway, I'm not doing anything with gold, but if someone wants to short it, I don't know. Which was it? Let me see. So this was the midnight open right there. New York midnight open. I'm not sure what to do here if someone wants to short it. I'm still waiting for EU to melt down to take out this low. This sell side is like almost a perfect target. So it would just melt all the way, melt all the way down. Let's go to trading view, check it out. Oh my god, I can't see anything in this mess. I have to clear my charts. Too much stuff going on. Sell side liquidity has been taken there. Okay, sell side liquidity also taken there. Okay, so that's it. That's the next sell side. This is the 4 hour, which is cool. Let's go down to 1 hour. Nothing. 1 hour is just basically nothing. 15 minutes, nothing. No huge displacement candle, no down close candle below this wick, so nothing. Still nothing here. Nothing on the 1 minute as well. No man's land. So this is my scenario. Here, strong candle, like strong down close candle below here. Retest to a fair value gap and boom. That's what I would be looking for. I would expect a fair value gap there. That's what I would be looking for. But nothing else. Oh man. My back. My back. My back. I have to do something with the microphone because no matter what I do, the volume is low. I don't know why. I tried every setting on my computer. I put on the gain, maxed out the volume input, everything. I just don't know what's the problem. No idea. It's too low. I don't like to speak this close to my microphone. The other day or the other week, I could speak like from this far right here, and everyone can hear me perfectly. Here, perfectly. But now I have to speak like this. Anyway, we secured the doubler, so I'm quite happy about it. Guys, I do appreciate Tillen. Especially thank you very much for being here, and I really hope that you subscribe and you'll be here next time as well. I'm not promising tomorrow London morning, maybe a little bit in the New York session. I'm expecting more volume in the New York session. I'll try to do my best to upgrade this channel. So thanks again for being here. I think I'm just gonna close it because there's nothing here that interests me, and I'm not gonna force anything, and I don't want to sit here more. I don't see anything coming up. Even if something comes up, I'm happy with today. I started the day with technically 100k, and now I'm up 2.3%, so I'm happy about this. So thank you very, very much for being here in the stream. Please follow me on Twitter. I'm also on Instagram too, but I don't really update that too much, but I'm on Twitter. Please like the channel, subscribe, and read my blog. Maybe join my Patreon later on. I want to prove to you guys that I'm trying to be transparent and make some money together in the future. All right, so anyway, thank you so much for being here. I'm gonna say hi, and I'm gonna have an applause for everyone who was here today. Thank you, and see you guys. Cheers, everyone.